In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Translator in Facebook Messenger. By the end, you will be able to turn messages in other languages into clear text you can actually read. First, open Messenger. On Android, iPhone, or iPad, tap the Messenger app icon so it launches to the main screen. You should see your list of recent conversations, usually with profile pictures on the left and the most recent message preview on the right. If Messenger asks you to log in, use your usual account so your existing chats appear. Remember, Meta does not offer this translation feature on computers, so make sure you are on a phone or tablet. Now open the chat. Tap the conversation that contains the message you want to translate. The chat will slide open and you will see all the messages in that conversation, with your messages on one side and the other person on the opposite side. If you have many chats, you might need to scroll through the list first, or use the search bar at the top to find the person or group. Next, find the message in another language. Scroll up or down inside the chat until you see the message you cannot read. Often you can spot it by unfamiliar words or accents and special characters. Take a moment to double-check that this is the exact message you want to translate, because the translation will apply only to that single bubble, not the whole chat. Once you have located it, press and hold the message. Touch the message bubble and keep your finger on it for about 1 second until a small menu appears. On most devices, this will pop up right above or below the message, and you may see options like reply, copy, and more. If you accidentally tap once instead of pressing and holding, nothing will happen, so just try again with a slightly longer press. From that menu, tap Translate. On some versions, you might see the word Translate along with a small globe or language style icon. When you tap it, Messenger sends that specific message to its translation system in the background. You should notice the message bubble briefly change or show a tiny loading moment. Then the new translated text replaces or appears under the original language. If you do not see Translate in the menu, first make sure you really are on Android, iPhone, or iPad, since computers do not show this option. If Messenger asks, select your preferred language. A list of languages may appear, such as English, Spanish, or French. Tap the language you are most comfortable reading. Many beginners assume this setting affects every app, but it only tells Messenger what language to use for these translations. Once you pick one, Messenger will usually remember it for future messages from that same language. Finally, read the translated message. The text should now appear clearly in the language you chose, inside the same chat bubble or just beneath the original text. Take a second to compare the names, times, and any numbers to make sure the meaning still makes sense in context. If something looks odd, you can always ask the person to clarify in the chat. You have now used Facebook Messenger to translate a message into a language you understand, right inside your regular chat. If this helped you follow conversations more easily, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.